And today we have another amazing video and we are going to talk about how to be eco-friendly.
Yay!
So what does it mean to be eco-friendly? We want to talk about how to support the environment, how to love the nature, how to have habits that can save the earth and not make more pollution. So this will be today's topic. We want to discuss about this. It will be short and I hope we can talk about everything we want. And what is a good habit? How can we support the environment to be more healthy? I have in my life some habits. Also Mickey has. And for example, we recycle. So we collect the bottles, the glass from the bottles, the recipients, the plastic ones and the paper, and we put it in one bag and then we take it to these bins that are present in Bucharest. There's a bin for paper, a bin for plastic and a bin for glass. So this is quite easy. You put it in a bag, you take it there, okay? You don't need to do this every day, maybe every week or once a month you can take it. Like this is very helpful.
Yes.
Because plastic decomposes in a long time, almost impossible to decompose. So it's quite sad nowadays. Fish have plastic inside their tummy. Birds, they eat a lot of plastic. It's very hurtful for the environment and nature. And another good habit is to save the oil from when we cook. So usually, sometimes the oil gets burned, and this one we can put it, we can clear the impurities and put it in a bottle. And if you go to gas station, to mall or Auchan, they collect this one.
Really?
Yeah, so you can recycle this one.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's good. Also, I save batteries. I put them together, and if you gather around 40 batteries, you can go to IKEA, and they give you new ones. Not 40, but they give you new ones, maybe 10 or 20 something. So I'm on my way to 40 batteries. I'm putting many there. I hope to get some, and this way I protect the environment. They're not thrown out somewhere and they affect the land. Also, I know you have a bike.
Yes, I'm using, as much as possible, I'm using bicycle. My daughter in the back. Yeah, I mean it's good also for your health, but also to not to pollute anymore. It's enough car, in the city. So
yeah, we want to encourage people to be healthy and also ride the bike in Bucharest. This is very good. And also, I think it's important to spend time in the nature. This is very good, like to enjoy the good air in the mountains, in the seaside. Really helps you have a good feeling. Yes. And this one I want to talk more about by sharing a small paragraph from a book that we like. And I hope you will also enjoy it. So, it says, spending time in the forest cleans the mind. The sound of leaves rustling in the wind, the sound of the wind blowing through the reeds, the sound of frogs croaking in the pond. All you can hear are the sounds of nature. No extraneous thoughts enter the mind. If you empty your mind and receive nature into your entire being, there is no separation between you and nature. Nature comes into you and you become completely one with nature. In the moment that the boundary between you and nature disappears, you feel a profound sense of joy. Then nature becomes you and you become nature. Already I feel more relaxed. When I think about going to the mountains and taking a deep breath, and I can see all these green trees and maybe some birds, some squirrels, some bear. Already makes me calm. So we all enjoy going into the nature and having a good time, no? And this is why it's important to protect the environment in order to have these moments of joy and fresh air around us. And this is why we want to encourage you to be more eco-friendly, to start a habit of protecting the environment, to recycle or to have a bicycle. And we hope you can also share what is your good habit to protect the environment. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful next week. Take care. Goodbye.
Bye.